Welcome to the UK's first ever electric car street race here in Hull City Centre. This is the beautiful Queen's Gardens Rose Bowl, but today it is home to the Goblin Racetrack, where children as young as 9 years old have been working on their cars ready to race today. How important do you think it is to learn about engineering and putting a car together? Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, because it's generally, a lot of people think it's for boys, but girls can do it as well.
Paul, you are the CEO of Green Power, and this must be a huge event for you.
It is. This is the very first closed electric street race, and of course we're doing it with children, and we're doing it with children in cars they built themselves.
Did you feel it was important for Drax to get involved with something like this?
Well, we're big fans of STEM, so science, technology, engineering and mathematics. And what we really want to do is encourage as many children as possible to pursue a career in STEM subjects. And I think it's also not just about boys who traditionally go into these subjects, but also girls as well. Also, we want to get more involved in our local communities and helping some of our schools, giving them the opportunities to get involved in these great ideas and great projects. Hopefully gives them an idea for the future about what careers they want to pursue.
What does an event like this mean to Hull?
Well, as you can see, it absolutely animates the city centre and builds on all the fantastic investment that's gone forward in the city centre. But much more than that, we started on this journey over 2 years ago. We were introduced to Green Power by Siemens when we were working with Siemens on their major investment. And it's a way of engaging young people in science, technology, engineering and maths, those kind of core competencies that industry is looking for. So it actually lights people's lives up in terms of aspirations and getting people interested. And the great thing for me as well, it mixes the generations. So we've got young people, we've got older people helping younger people. It's a fantastic city learning exercise.
Ross, what is Siemens' involvement in this?
About 3 or 4 years ago, when Siemens and Siemens Gamesa came to Hull, we thought what an amazing opportunity it would be to work with the council and the Greenport Hull to bring the Green Power event here and have the UK's first closed street race. Fantastic.
It is amazing, isn't
yes,
it?
It is.
What do you think this means to young engineers of the future?
Well, I hope it inspires them, doesn't it? This is what we hope from this. It's fantastic just walking around the paddocks and seeing the teams and the excitement on their face, and encouraging people to get into the STEM subjects, the science, technology, engineering and mathematics is vital, and I hope it sort of inspires them to go on into careers in those fields. So that's what we hope. So if we can inspire one young engineer, then I think we've succeeded today.
These are the kids that are really going to make the change, and that's what's exciting, and it's Hull. You can't be more than that. Not just our history, our future. This is Hull. We are Hull. To hold an off street, on the street, closed down for all these youngsters, for the cars they built, the companies that have provided the money, the set up by Green Power, and all of a sudden, this is another year, we are Hull.